King Tony has been committed to developing the best products for professionals. The modular stacking toolboxes we designed has 3 different sizes. Through each combination of the toolboxes, they can be suitable for different situations. The robust honeycomb structure allows our toolboxes to easily load various tools up to 15 kilograms. While the top of the toolboxes can withstand up to 90 kilograms. The structure of the double-layer tool bag and the design of the I-shaped lock makes it more convenient and simple for users to complete their work. Whether it's the ergonomic handle or the rolling tray, each feature greatly saves the user's time and effort, therefore improving work efficiency and mobility. We designed a professional, multifunctional automotive repair kit for the modular stacking toolboxes, which include quarter-inch and half-inch hand sockets, various accessories, hex keys, mallets, tape measures, wrenches, pliers, lights, etc. Diversified and high-quality products allow King Tony tools to meet the needs of all types of professionals. King Tony has put a lot of effort into the quality of the products and the physical property standards. The modular stacking toolboxes are light and portable, but also very sturdy. This allows users to complete their work more easily. Since the beginning, King Tony has always insisted on being people-oriented and has always been making products most suitable for users by designing them from the perspective of the consumers. Whether in life or at work, King Tony's high-quality tool sets are always the best choice. Users can then face each challenge with King Tony's hand tools.